So here we are driving home from work. We left early. It is actually, what, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe. And just so you know, there is no snow falling from the sky. This is what we call a blow. And the visibility, right now I'd say about 200. Well, the reason for that is we have trees to the left. Would you see up there where the trees stop? You see up there where the snow is? This is called a blow, and we're about to have zero visibility. Let's see. Yeah, that's about right. We're driving in this at 60 miles an hour. So for all you people in Texas thinking about moving up here, or people in Arizona thinking about moving up here, please realize, don't be stupid and try to drive through this at 60 miles an hour. Oh. Well, anyway, welcome to North Dakota.